Hello mga marites ni Jongdae.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong, today's video, we will talk about BTS Suga. Only here on
안녕, Suga Update!
BTS Suga reportedly reflecting on his actions plus update being BTS member. It was reported on August 9th that BTS Suga alcohol level was 7 times higher than normal alcohol intake after being tested by breathalyzer. Suga is being criticized for providing false statement when he was questioned by the police for driving an electronic scooter while intoxicated. The BTS member said, "I drank 1 glass of beer." However, based on the common belief that 1 glass of beer will only produce for the average person blood alcohol content between 0.2% to 0.04%, which is way far from his result of 0.227% alcohol level. Fans are concerned about the latest issue of the BTS leader affecting the group's image. Whether the planned comeback in 2025 will still scheduled as planned after they completed their mandatory military service. According to insiders, there's no internal discussions as of this moment about Suga's status to leave BTS or any sort of extreme measures to respond about the recent DUI incident. Suga was reported to be deeply reflecting on his actions, but it is highly unlikely that BTS group comeback in 2025 will be delayed as an outcome of this scandal. That's it mga kaanyong. What can you say about the recent DUI incident of BTS Suga? Comment your thoughts below.
Ayan, then please like and subscribe sa anong